This is one of my favorite blueberry desserts. If you're a big fan of blueberry pies, but not a big fan of making pie crust, this blueberry bars recipe is a recipe for you.
Everybody, welcome to Lounging with Lenny. My name is Lenny. In this video episode, I'll show you how to make very easy and delicious blueberry bars. So stay tuned and make sure to watch the video to the end. And as always, enjoy it.
So first, let's make the crust. In the bowl, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, and make sure not to use the instant oats, 3/4 of a cup of dark brown sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 cup of room temperature butter. The butter should be like this when you touch. These blueberry bars are made of bright juicy berries, paired with buttery shortbread crust and crumble. It is very easy to make and absolutely delicious. I like to put on the gloves and mix everything together with my hands. Mix it until the mixture comes together and clump. This blueberry crumb bars is great dessert all year round. It doesn't require a lot of time to make and will be a great activity to do together with your kids. If you want to enjoy something tasty and sweet over the weekend and spend time with your kids at the same time, this will be a great activity for all of you. Kids can combine the ingredients and touch the dough. You will have a lot of fun. Put crust aside and now let's make the filling. Take 5 cups of fresh blueberries, add blueberries into the large bowl, add half a cup of turbinado sugar, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, take 1 lemon and zest it. Make sure to zest only the yellow part and don't grate the white part, it will make your filling bitter. Cut 1/4 of the lemon and juice it. Mix everything together with a silicone spatula. Between the firm crust, soft filling, juicy blueberries, and sandy crumbles, blueberry bars have many wonderful textures and flavors in every bite you take. I'm making my blueberry bars in 9 by 13 inches baking pan. Take a piece of parchment paper, cut it like this from all 4 sides, and place parchment paper in baking pan. Blueberry bars is quicker than many fruit filling pies. No peeling, peeling, or chopping is required. It's easier than pie. Crust and topping is made from the same 1 bowl mixture. No crust to roll out, no mixer or rolling pin needed. It is super flavorful with jammy blueberry filling. Make sure that the cut, overlapping pieces are inside so the filling won't leak. Take some vegetable oil and grease the parchment paper, so it's easy to take blueberry bars out after they baked. Transfer half of the crust mixture into the baking pan and firmly press it. First with your hand, and then what I like to do is to get a metal spatula and press it down with it. And make sure that the crust is firmly pressed and it's evenly distributed at the bottom of the baking pan, so it won't crack and the filling will stay in place. Blueberries soften and release their juices while baking. Juicy blueberries help to create extremely moist bars. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell, press notify me to get notified about my new videos. The rest of the crust I'll use it later as a topping. Once the crust is pressed, let's add the filling. Mix it and transfer the filling in. And lastly, take the remaining crust and spread it all over the top of the blueberry bars. Place it in the preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 45 minutes. 45 minutes passed and my blueberry bars are ready. But don't rush to serve it just yet. Let it cool down at the room temperature for about 2 hours and then put it in the fridge overnight. Let it firm and set. When it's fully cooled down and ready to be served, carefully remove it from the baking pan, remove the parchment paper. It should come off easily. If you cut the bars into squares while it's still warm, they will completely fall apart. So make sure to get some patience, wait until the blueberry bars are completely cooled down and enjoy it.
And now is the moment that I was waiting for. Taste test. Very delicious blueberry bars that you need to make. Let me get another one. a must recipe to try.